Good day mga kasiloy. Here's what you need to know in today's edition of Cebu Daily Newscast, September 13, 2023. For a top story, a pregnant woman and her unborn baby died after the motorcycle she was riding figured in an accident along the provincial road in Carmen town in northern Cebu on Monday evening, September 11, 2023. The motorcycle was driven by her live-in partner when the accident, which claimed the lives of the mother and her unborn child, happened at 7:26 p.m., a police report said. Police identified a woman as 36-year-old Nelia Takukong, who was believed to be 8 to 9 months pregnant, while the driver of the motorcycle was identified as Dennis Baratos, who suffered injuries. The couple resides in Barangay Poblacion in Carmen Town, Cebu, and was said to be negotiating a downhill portion of the road when the accident happened. In other news, the alleged evidence that alleged witness Bianca Lee claims to show what really happened to murder victim Rhea May Tukmo was said to be fake. A copy of the video was obtained by Cebu-based radio station DYHP, which the station also shared on Monday, September 11. The staff of the radio station pointed out some discrepancies in the video, including a portion that they said was sourced from internet content in India. Meanwhile, a 5-year-old girl who was playing in the rain with her 3-year-old brother died after she fell into a canal and was swept by a strong floodwaters in Sitio Lourdes, Barangay Hagubiao, Mandawi City on Monday afternoon. Hagubiao Barangay Captain Michael Masinas said that the child was swept into a culvert and was found in Sitio Santo Rosario about 300 meters away from the area where she fell. Masinas said that the girl was rescued and was taken to the hospital, but around 7 p.m. on Monday, the attending physician declared her dead. According to a neighbor of the victim who witnessed the incident, the girl was chasing after a slipper of her younger brother that fell into the floodwaters when she fell into the canal. Finally, in showbiz, hindi man diretsahang pinangalanan, naniniwala ang madlang people na ang dating senador na si Juan Ponce Enrile ang tinutukoy ni Vice Ganda sa naging pahayag niya sa It's Showtime kahapon. Ito'y may kaugnayan sa mga lolo at lola na patuloy na nanonood at sumusuporta sa kanya mula noong nagsimula siya bilang host ng nasabing Kapamilya Noong Time show, pati na rin sa mga hindi siya masyadong like. Matatanda ang may patutsada sa kanya ni Chief Presidential Legal Counsel na isa siyang mahalay, abusado at bastos na TV host. Irit naman ni Vice sa segment sa Little Miss You na mahal niya daw ang mga lolos and lolas, pati na rin daw sa mga lolong hindi siya like. And those are the latest and hottest news in and around Cebu, mga kasiloy. Hope you can join us again tomorrow in another edition of Cebu Daily Newscast. You can get the full story by visiting our page at cdn.ph or by following us on social media at CDN Digital. This is Dennis Singson wishing you a productive and safe Wednesday, mga kasiloy.